Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So use our newfound technique of integration to work out to come up with a formula for the volume of a cone. So all that you're given here is a straight line, but from this straight line you can rotate it to create a cone here. So come up with a formula for the volume of this cone here. So remember, if you want to find out the area of let's say a cylinder, you would work out the area of cross section, and then you would drag it all the way through. So come up with a term for this disc here. So all that, so from this line here, from this line here, all that you can work out is the radius here. All that you can work out is the height here, and then from the height, so from the height here, you can then once you've got the height or the radius, you can then work out the area of this disc, and then sum up all the discs. So you would drag it all the way through from 0 to capital L. Well, do whatever you want. All that you're given here is this. So it's just a straight line of height R and of length capital L. So come up with the formula for the volume of this cone here. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay. So to do this here, first we need to come up with the formula for a straight line here. So this straight line here, because we need to know the height as x is moving through, as x is sweeping through. We need to know the height at any given value of x. So we need to come up with a formula for this straight line here. Well, this is a straight line, so it's going to be y equals mx plus c. The m here, the gradient, would be the height, which happens to be r, divided by the length here, which is capital L. So the gradient is given by r over L. The intercept is 0, so we can pretty much ignore it. So the equation for this line here is given by this. So now well, so now it's going to be us summing up all the circles here. Okay, so once we've got the height here, it will be pi r squared. Okay, so let's call this h. So pi h squared. So this is h here. So it would be pi h squared. But then the height is given by this. The height. Hang on. So this height here is given by this thing here. Okay, so when we do pi h squared, it will be us doing pi, and then this thing goes into the h here. So it will be r over capital L x all squared. Okay, so that's this bit here. Okay, so we would get the height here, and then it will be us working out the area of the circle, which is given by this. And then we're going to sweep it through from 0 all the way to h. So sweep it through all the way to h. So the volume is given by this. Okay. So now it's just square this. So it's really rx over capital L times by itself. That will be L squared, and then r blah blah here. The pi gets multiplied to the top, so it becomes this. And then visualize it as this. So this here, all this here is a constant. Everything in here is a constant. This here, everything in here is a constant. So this is like a constant, and then x squared. Integrate it. It will become this. Okay. And then it's a matter of getting this. Take away this. So that will then give you this. Okay. And then tidy it up, and then that will then become this. So the volume of a cone is given by this. Okay.